Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I'm still looking at this as a WXY pattern. I think this most recent area right here is an ABC of wave Y, which I still think likely will go up and eventually take out these previous highs, probably targeting the 78.6 Fibonacci extension right around the 0.82 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think that we are already in that wave C. So first of all, this is an A, this is a B. Then we are most likely already in the wave C of wave Y. This right here is likely a wave 1, this is likely an ABC wave 2, and I think we are likely in a wave 3, which I believe over the coming weeks and months should continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3 of C of Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the Aussie is actually one of the only ones that has not broken structure to the downside yet on the dollar pairs. So definitely still bullish on the Aussie. The Aussie and technically the Kiwi are continuing to be very strong. And we definitely don't want to fight this wave 3 trend by trying to go short. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, we just recently this week had another 1, 2, 3 pattern, another ABC correction. It seems like it is definitely losing momentum, so just based on that alone, I would kind of think that yeah, it probably would go down, it probably would break structure, and if it does break structure, then yeah, you could definitely start looking for shorts at that point, even though I do think it is likely to be another A, B, and C correction. I personally will definitely be waiting for the break of structure before I even think about going short because when you're in a wave 3 on the higher time frames, what is more likely to happen? It's more likely to just keep on trending. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am still looking for longs in an uptrend. I mean, until it actually breaks structure to the downside, I am definitely still very bullish. We did bounce from a fib level, but we still haven't broken any structure. I mean, it does kind of look like impulsive down, 3 waves up. So if it does make impulsive down, you could definitely, try to take it as a short if you want to. And then if it goes down and breaks structure, then that's what's going to turn me into a seller. But be very careful trying to sell because what I just showed you is just what looks like what could happen. What actually may happen is it may just end up doing this and just keep on going up. I personally am doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see, at least until I get a confirmation that we're going down with a break of structure on preferably the 4 hour or daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.